Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Starting off with our satellite loop, we see that there was some thunder shower activity late yesterday over the western parts of the country, but most of that dissipated overnight. Over the far eastern portions, we're continuing to see moisture move in from the Indian Ocean, bringing in some showers from northern KwaZulu-Natal and extending into the Lowveld, and that continues for the rest of today. There was some early morning fog over some areas over the Highveld and the KZN interior, and we also saw fog in places along the western coastline of the Western Cape. Now for the rest of today, it's going to be partly cloudy and dry for many areas, although we are expecting some thunder shower activity into the Northern Cape in particular. The wet weather is expected to persist in the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment, particularly into this evening. Now that pattern is going to continue as we head into tomorrow. Those showers will be spreading onto the Highveld, affecting Gauteng, most of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and perhaps even into some parts of the northwest. Otherwise, it's going to be a partly cloudy and dry day for the central and western parts of the country on Wednesday. Today's rainfall probabilities indicating isolated thunder showers affecting Uppington, De Aard as well as Vryburg in the northwest. We're not expecting rainfall for Bloemfontein, while towards the Lowveld, as we've already seen, showers will be continuing today, as well as the far northern coastline of KZN and the adjacent interior. Now, while most of South Africa can expect light winds today, we will see a fresh northeasterly wind continuing for East London this afternoon, up to 35 kilometers per hour. It remains hot over the western half of the country today, some places reaching the lower 40s, including for Vredendal near the western coastline. Very hot over the southern Karoo, milder on the Highveld, Bethlehem at 22 degrees, and similar temperatures on the high-lying areas of Mpumalanga. Tomorrow morning will start off cool for parts of the central interior, dipping below 10 degrees for some places, a pair of 13s for Polokwane and Mbombela in the far northern parts, and upper teens are forecast for most of the coastline as well as for Springbok in the northern Cape. Looking ahead now to tomorrow afternoon, and here we see partly cloudy conditions in Gauteng with the chance of showers, remaining hot and dry for much of western South Africa, and the pattern hardly changes on Thursday with further showers in the northern parts of the country, and the warm weather continues in the west, Cape Town reaching a high of 31.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com